Hey gang, it's Jay Boyer and I'm back, and I'm right back here at Amazon. I want to talk a little bit more about why Amazon.com is an online marketer's, a niche marketer's dream come true. Now, what you're looking at is the Amazon bestsellers page for physical products. You can certainly purchase physical products here. I've done my share of that, and you can also make money as an Amazon associate and receive a commission of anywhere between 4 to I think 8% on some of these items in these crazy categories all across the board: arts, crafts and sewing, camera and photo, electronics, home and kitchen, home improvement, kitchen and dining, etc. I have done this before. I've been an Amazon associate for years and years and years, but you know what? It's not the easiest way to make money on Amazon. The easiest sales on Amazon, in my experience, the lowest hanging fruit in terms of product creation and selling, is the Kindle marketplace. Now, what you're looking at is the top best-selling categories. That's right, these are the what I would consider the lowest hanging fruit. As a product creator, these Amazon ebooks are pretty much the easiest sales that you will ever make. If you latch on to a hot niche or a nonfiction book topic, these 99-cent to $2.99 ebooks and upward are really easy to make. I make thousands of sales of these Amazon ebooks every month in niches all across the board. And you may notice that there's lots of overlap, by the way, between these best-selling book categories and the best-selling product categories that I showed you, which means that it's very easy to write a Kindle ebook in, say, the crafts, hobbies, and homes. Does that ring a bell? We just saw crafts, hobbies, and homes in the Amazon product best-selling page. Say, for instance, you write a how-to home improvement book. And as you can see, here's cookbooks, food, and wine. That dovetails very nicely with, kitchen appliances, kitchen utensils, cutlery, etc. So say, for instance, you write a best-selling Kindle ebook, which is not very hard to do. If you can move those buyers, those Kindle ebook buyers at 99 cents or $1.99 or $2.99, very, very cheap price, if you can move those buyers onto an AWeber list and have access to their emails and be able to send them messages related not only to future cookbooks that you publish, but also related kitchen products that you would recommend, for example. That's where the real money is made, and that's exactly what I'm doing and what I'm going to show you how to do in this training series, getting people in the door with a low ticket Kindle ebook in any niche topic out there, moving them onto an autoresponder email list that you can follow up with additional information and freebies, helpful hints, messages like that, and then upsell them to a related physical product or another book of yours, an information product, whatever it is, a ClickBank how-to product. You can turn a 99-cent ebook into a gold mine of revenue and commissions and product sales. And this is one of the best and most powerful ways that I've ever discovered in my career as an internet marketer of building a highly targeted and responsive list of buyers in any niche online. And this is exactly what I'm going to be showing you in this series. So get ready, strap in. We're about ready to blast off into this system. In the very next video, I'm going to show you how to get started in creating these Kindle lead rockets, as I call them, moving them onto an autoresponder list, and then upselling them to high ticket goods and services after that. All right, I'll see you in the next video.